Welcome to another day of our class. This time, we're going to talk about the animals and their food. Are you ready? Great! First, what animal is this? Good job, a dog. What is the food of the dog? Good job, bone. Next, let's have this one. What animal is this? Very good, cat. What is the food of the cat? Good job, fishbone. Next, what animal is this? Very good, rabbit. What is the food of the rabbit? Very good, carrot. How about this one? This is the monkey. What is the food of the monkey? Very good, banana. Next, what animal is this? Very good, squirrel. And the food of the squirrel is? Not very good. How about this one? This is an elephant. What is the food of the elephant? Very good, grass. Let's review again the animals and their food. What is the food of the dog? Good job, bone. What is the food of the cat? Great, fishbone. What is the food of the rabbit? Very good, carrot. What is the food of the monkey? Great, banana. What is the food of the squirrel? Very good, nut. What is the food of the elephant? Very good, grass. Good job, kids. See you again next time. Bye-bye.